everyone, let's explore the island. Okay. This place? I've never seen it on any map. Let me check my map again. It's not even on the map. Let's check it out. This feels ancient. Who would build this here? Behavioral control, genetic adaptation? We have to stop this.
Emergency services, what is your location?
There's an illegal lab inside the eastern Waterfall cliffs. Animals are trapped. Please send help.
Units are on the way.
Thank you. Help is coming. Oh no! Let's hurry! Oh, hurry! This way, come on! Keep moving, faster! Almost there, don't stop! Whew, it's finally over.
All right, let's get them out of here.
This is a misunderstanding.
Easy now, you'll be okay.
Thank you for helping the animals.
We're glad we could help, and we have you to thank.
Me? I was just happy to help.
You're a hero to us. I'm Richard, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Richard. I'm Cherry.
Nice meeting you too. We can take you back to your place.
Oh, thanks for the offer, but we already have a ride.
See you soon.
No one will hurt this place again.
In the quiet corners of the world, there are still secrets waiting to be protected, and sometimes heroes are just explorers who care.
You deserve this.